Hey, did you know you can get Google Play on your smart TV even if the app isn't there by default? Yeah, it's actually way easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through it in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Doesn't matter if it's Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, as long as you're online, you're good to go. Without internet, this trick won't work. Next, grab your remote and open up the TV's web browser. Most smart TVs have one built-in, so check your apps or the main menu. If there's more than one, just pick your favorite. Any browser works. Now head to the search bar in the browser and type in Google Play Store. Hit enter and check out the search results. You're looking for the link that says Android apps on Google Play. Go ahead and select that. On the Google Play page, you'll see a button like Download on Play Store or something similar. Click it. The Google Play Store will pop up right on your TV. If it's your first time, you might get a prompt to enable or activate the Play Store. Just confirm it. Now you're in. Browse the featured apps, or use the search bar if you've got a specific app in mind. When you find what you want, select it, hit install, and your TV will handle the rest. And that's it. Installing apps on your smart TV is that easy, even if the Play Store isn't on your home screen. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more smart TV tips and fixes.